Is it the world's largest 3D printed heavy lift drone?
And can it just even take off the ground?
And specifically, the world has never seen
3, 2, 1.
We have between us collectively around 60 years of flight experience of designing these aircrafts. We started with a little model. You do it in what they call CAD or computer aided design software, as you sort of make out like how big are the props going to be, how's it going to fit on the frame. Obviously, from just the basic point of view, the props, which are 32 inches, we've got to be able to, you've got to have a frame that's big enough to be able to extend wide enough to allow these props. So we use this one because the K2 Plus has a build volume of 350 by 350, and it has the ability to be able to print PPA-CF carbon fiber filament within it, and we absolutely maxed that build plate out because our design relied on surface area and effectively acting like, so that because you have surface area, it allows forces to act over a large area, which is obviously the main case where you get strength with 3D printing. So that's what we aim for, and that's obviously what came through in the design. All the way, we took the same concept for the motor housing as we did for the main body structure. So what we're doing is we're making the mount to attach the 3D printer to the drone. All these months building, constructing this 3D printed drone is all led up to one moment in time with using the K2 Plus 3D printer to print out the PPA-CF carbon fiber. This is the ultimate tech.
Here we go. Okay, we humbly present the 3D printed drone. Let's do that. Okay, a bit of left, bit of right, bit forward, bit of back. Okay, ready? Yeah, should be sweet. Okay. Woohoo! Awesome, awesome result. Okay, so you want to go for a bit more of a blip?
Yeah, same thing, a little bit more.
We'll just go up a little more. I'll go for a little hover. Yeah, all good. And then we'll check. Okay, so we're doing a little battery assessment after that very small little test. Okay, so everything seems to be nominal, so I'm going to plug the battery in again. I'm going to go for another little hover. Everything's stable, no oscillations, which is great. That's exactly what we want. And obviously, we at this point we can say that is it the world's largest 3D printed drone? Flying a 3D printer equals a 3D printed drone? Absolutely. It flies. It's good.